Hi there, this is Ashik once again before you. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up SMTP Gmail. So first of all, we need to come on the dashboard and we have to just install a plugin. The plugin name is actually WP SMTP. So after installing, like this is the plugin actually, this is the plugin. So we have already installed it. Now we need to do what we can do. We can just skip all the things and we need to just click on the settings, WP mail SMTP settings. So after coming here, you can see we need to just okay. So as you can see, this is the default one, right? This is the default one. So we need to just select the Gmail or Google Gmail actually. Now we need to do what? We can give the form name, we can check these two things. Right now we need to scroll down and here we have to just give the client ID and client secret. So how to get this? So as you can see, this is the Gmail documentation, and we need to just go to click on here. Let's open it in a new tab, and it's actually redirecting. Now we can see here actually we will see something. Okay, let me show this one. Okay, this is this one, Google Cloud Console. So we need to go in here, console.cloud.google.com. Okay, I will just give the URL in the dashboard, or sorry, in the what should I say, in the description box. Okay, I will provide this URL in the description box. Then first we need to just come in here, and here as you can see we can see this type of things, right? Or we need to just create a new project. Okay, so we need to create a new project, and as you can see we have already created there are some projects actually. So let's click on new projects, let's create a new one, and here we can give the project name. The project names actually we can give it here the passive savvy SMTP. So let's click on the create button, and after clicking in here, as you can see, it's actually creating. Okay, so but sometimes for creating this one, we can see this has been already created. Now we need to just here we can see API and service, and here is actually library. We need to just click on here, library. Okay, now sorry, we need to just click on here and select the first one because we have created this one. Let's click on here, and already we are coming here. Then we can come in the library settings, API and services, then click on library. Here we need to just search in here Gmail API. So after, okay, we can see this is the Gmail API. Let's click on it. So now we need to just enable it. Okay, Gmail API, we need to enable it, and it's actually loading as you can see. Okay, so you can see it's actually enabled because we can see the disable button. Let's click on the create credential. Let's click on here. Now, as you can see, this is the select an API. This will be Gmail API, that's cool. And now we need to just select this one, user data. Let's click on next. Then we need to just come in here and give the app name. The app name will be like this, passive savvy. Perfect. Now here we need to just provide the email support, and because this is my email, that's why it's actually showing, right? It's actually showing right now. So you can what should I say, select your email, and here you need to just upload your logo. I'm just selecting this logo, and we need to give the developers, like you can give your actually Gmail. Let's click on save and continue. This will be save and continue. No, nothing we need to do. Here we need to just select web application. Let's click on, we can keep these things as it is. We can skip the JavaScript origins. We need to just authorize redirects URLs. Let's click on here. Okay, so as you can see, we have just clicked. We need to just skip the JavaScript origins. We need to just give the URI and authorized redirect URI. We have just okay. Let me show it again. Let's click on the add URI. Then we need to just go get back to the dashboard. Here, after coming here, as you can see, this is the authorized redirect URI. We can copy it and we can just click on here. It will be copied. Okay, it will be already copied. Now let's go to this page again. Now here we need to just paste the code in here. Now we need to click on the create button, and after clicking on here, we need to just okay, we need to just click on the done button. Let's click on the done button, and we have already created this one. Right, now let's go to the auth. Okay, we need to just go to the auth content consent screen. Let's click on here, and after clicking in here, we can see this is actually testing mode. We need to just publish this one. So let's click on here, publish app, click on the confirm button, and nothing to do. Let's click on the credential, and after clicking in here, as you can see, this is the web client ID one. Let's click on the pen icon, edit auth clients. Let's click on here. Let's this is the client ID. We need to just copy this client ID and paste the client ID here, and we need to copy the client secret, paste it here, and we need to do what? Sorry, everything actually okay right now, so we need to come in here and let's click on the save settings. We need to just click on here. So after clicking on here, as you can see, we need to do something, another thing, right? So everything is okay right now. So I need to just allow plugin to send email using your Gmail Google account. Let's click on here. Now you need to choose the email, which email you want to what should I say, you want to actually you want to use for sending, right? So it's totally up to you. uh, for the time being, I'm just using this one. Okay, let's click on here. Now as you can see, Google has not verified this app, so we need to just do what? We need to click on the advanced tab. I think you can see we need to just click on here, advanced tab. Let's click on go to wpmail.smtp.com and save. So we need to just click on here. Okay, now let's click on the continue button. Okay, so this is the boom, it's actually connected. It's connected, as but the problem is actually, as you can see here, the email address is actually this email is actually mine. Okay, so you can do what? You can remove this email, or you can do allow plugin to use email again. Okay, you can remove this one and try to connect this connect your email, or you can watch this full tutorials and create and set up these plugins. I think it's very easy. Okay, otherwise you need to just send me the username. You need to send me the password of your email, and I think it's not good. So that's it for now. Oh, let me test this one, email test. Let's click on here. Now we need to just give my email like equals. Okay, not. I'm just going to check this one using my another email. Let's click on here and send test success. Let's go to the email. Okay, let's go to Gmail for checking is it works or not. Boom, this is the pass. Okay, so as you can see, this email has been come. Okay, so it's testing purpose, passive survey. Let's click on here. Then we can see congrats, test email was sent successfully. Right now, if I just click on this one, then we can see this is my email. So you need to change it. I think it's very easy. You need to just follow this tutorial. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.